Hello everyone, this is Lavina and welcome to my channel. This video I will be sharing with you few more activities around ocean life that I did in the past week with my little one. And you can consider this video to be as kind of part 2 or a follow-up video of the one that I shared in the last week. And in case if you missed it, I will be sharing the link somewhere around on the screen here. And yes, so in the past week I took an effort to teach him a little more about dolphins and jellyfish, and I've tried to make these activities simpler as I mentioned previously, because obviously if it takes a lot of effort I'll try to discontinue it. And so yes, come, let's see. The first activity is making a 3D dolphin, and this is one of the cutout that I found online while googling. And yes, if I won't be able to share the PDF file, but I will definitely share the link where I found it in the description box below. Ayan was busy in cutting the shapes, and I was amazed to see that he actually cut it properly. After that, we did a lot of painting of blue color like the last week, and then we pasted it, and the end result was something like this. So it was kind of a 3D dolphin. The second activity was making a jellyfish. This was also around the same lines, first cutting it and then coloring it. So this is something that I made on my own, so I will be definitely sharing it, the drive link where this printable is available for free for you guys, and you can also go ahead and draw it with your hands. Here I actually took an effort to make different kinds of lines. Some of them were curvy lines, some of them were straight lines, because so that he gets that cutting practice along the way. After that we actually colored it with our Crayola quick dry paint sticks, and then we pasted it on a paper plate. So the result came out something like this. So this way he learned about dolphins and jellyfish and a little bit about their body structure. The third activity is making a dolphin spinner. It's something like this, which tells them about few facts about dolphins. And if you see, I would say don't worry, I didn't actually make this with my hand. I got a free printable from a little pinch of perfect.com. I will be sharing the link again of the same on the description box below. It is one without the colors. The little one has to just cut it and color it, and then stick the two so that the printable can go ahead. The instructions are there on the printable, and it turned out to be really super cool. This way I was able to tell few facts about dolphin to my little one. But before this activity, I actually told him a story about dolphins, which involved Papa Dolphin, Mama Dolphin and the baby dolphin, and of course my little one Ayan. It was purely a story made up by me, and which involved basically repeating these facts and few more in the story. So I am sure a lot of you might already know, but all the little ones, even as adults, we also tend to learn more through singing, through stories, through certain incidents which attract us, which motivate us. And so when I tell Ayan's story, he goes into his imaginatory world and he tends to learn more, he tends to remember more, and so this was my approach. If you wish to sing some song telling these facts, even that is fine. The short story that I made, I have also written a small para of the same, and will share it on the drive as a free print. It doesn't have any illustrations because I'm not really good at it. It was just an impromptu one, but it was a complete hit for me because Ayan learned everything. After telling him that story, I went for this spinner activity, and I was amazed that he knew almost everything in it. In fact, when I told him about the whales, that so I told him that the dolphin belongs to the family of whales, like Ayan belongs to the family of their cousins and their mamas. So the first question that he came out with was, so are the whales also as friendly as dolphin? And it made me realize that yes, my story did had an effect on him. So you can definitely go ahead and read the story or make something of your own or make a song and tell them, because they really tend to learn more with this. And yes, this is a super cute printable. The fourth is not really an activity again, it's more of reading. I didn't know or wasn't able to make any story about the jellyfish, but I really wish to tell him few facts about jellyfish. So this is the printable that I made it myself, and I just read it with him and told him few things like, did you know jellyfish didn't have brains? Ayan has a brain, dolphin has a brain, so jellyfish is not able to remember anything. How is it possible? And jellyfish bites, jellyfish has tentacles, and this was basically a printable that I just read and told him in my way. So it was a read aloud activity. All the links and also the few of the printables that I talked about that I made, I will be putting it on my Google Drive and making it public to everyone. I'll share the links of those in the description box below. So this was my past week of telling him about dolphins and jellyfish through certain printables that are readily available freely online, and few of them that I made. I think it went a little quite well learning week for Ayan, because yes, he was able to relate to them. And so if you like them, please do go ahead and try and let me know how did it go with you. And again, if you missed some of the activities, it's okay. Just start wherever you left, whenever you are free. See you next Wednesday.